welcome to the Make Money on Upwork course brought to you by Freelance Hustler. Myself, Tommy Joyner, and my man Tyler Gillespie have put this course together for you, and we're super pumped to have you here. For now, we want to say thanks for your purchase, but after you finish with this, we're pretty confident that you're the one that's going to be thanking us. Why? Because this course kicks ass. It's going to change everything that you thought you knew about Upwork and put you miles ahead of the pack. First, let's talk a little bit about who this course is for. This course is for you whether you're already on Upwork right now and getting frustrated with it, or if you're just starting out and wanting to figure out how to really make serious revenue on the platform. While we've designed it specifically for Upwork, many of the strategies that we've taken the time to lay out for you here work for all other freelancing platforms out there, like Freelancer, Fiverr, etc. You can even make money off of Craigslist using the stuff we'll teach you here. And we'd go so far as to say that this course could even help you in applying to any job in general. Another cool thing about this course is that it doesn't matter what type of freelance work that you're doing. If you're a copywriter, web developer, graphic designer, etc., the tactics that we've laid out apply to you. There are a few reasons that we put this course together. To be honest, we're tired of all the scarcity-based mindset BS advice out there for freelancers right now, especially the stuff that talks about Upwork. It's unrealistic at best and downright discouraging at worst. We want to help more of you to escape the daily grind and live the true freelance lifestyle with all the benefits that come with that, and that includes making a lot of money. Almost everything out there that we see right now comes from some dude cooped up in his basement teaching people how to incrementally build their business on Upwork piece by piece. Even the best courses we found advocate waiting months or even years before getting started making real money on Upwork. If you're seriously thinking about going out on your own and making the kind of money that you make in your 9-to-5 job, you can't wait a whole year before you start to make legit money on Upwork. You need to make serious money right now. We get it. We understand your pain, and so we made this course to teach you how to make money from Upwork in a hurry. We've yet to find a comprehensive course from someone who's actually made serious money on Upwork that lays out an actionable strategy for winning jobs. There's some decent advice around, but it's pretty fluffy and doesn't provide much direction. We want to share our exact process with you, and the following 10 lessons in this course will do exactly that. The existing courses available don't really empower you and let you in on another huge secret. This course teaches you exactly how to crush it by winning high-quality jobs on Upwork, but it isn't really about Upwork. It's about you, starting a successful business of your own that uses Upwork as one of the many tools that you use to get clients. Upwork is a badass way to harvest existing demand and win clients in a heartbeat. Once you know how, you'll never feel nervous about getting another job. It's simply a matter of logging on to Upwork, applying to jobs for a day or two, and landing a new client. But remember, this is about you, not Upwork. Even the guys who've made some decent money off of Upwork and made courses about it have done it over time. They advocate building up your profile, getting your feet wet, and waiting to charge premium rates until you've established yourself. We want to tell you that there is no reason to wait to start making serious money and charging premium rates on Upwork today. We started landing big money deals from day one and never looked back. You can too. Learning how to make real money on Upwork is the first step in creating a business for yourself that will thrive both on and off the platform. If you're interested, we actually talk more about building your freelance business in general in our free Freelance Hustler Challenge, which you can sign up for on our site at freelancehustler.com/challenge. Learning how to win clients on Upwork can and should be a huge part of your business. It is still integral to our work, and that is why we felt it was essential to create this course. If you're one of those people who thinks it's impossible to make money from Upwork because there's too much competition, or you have to charge rates much lower than you otherwise would to win jobs, we're not going to sympathize with you. If that is your mindset, then simply put, you're not going to succeed. Trust us, you don't have to play that game. There's a whole other level that can be reached by simply applying a few proven tactics and working hard. But in order to get the types of jobs, clients, reputation you want, you have to deserve it. Do you deserve it? Think about that and keep it in mind as we progress throughout this course. Here are some common complaints that we hear coming from freelancers that we're going to demolish as we take you through this material. Can you relate to any of these? I need to ease into Upwork before I can charge a lot of money. There are too many other freelancers on Upwork to compete with. Making real money on Upwork is just not possible. I need a portfolio to be able to get jobs. I need a website before I can start. I need a ton of experience to charge a lot of money or a high rate. I need a lot of client reviews on Upwork before I can really get started. I need 5-star ratings before anyone will consider me. I need to take a ton of skill tests on Upwork. All of this is simply BS that we want you to clear your mind of right now. We have 3 main goals for this course. To teach you how to find high-paying jobs and avoid the vicious cycle of looking for jobs all the time, charging low rates, and competing with the masses. To teach you how to actually win high-paying quality jobs. Getting the most clients is not the goal. Go for 80-20, either for high prices or the ones where repeat business seems like a good possibility. To teach you how to make a consistent monthly revenue. We'll get you doing quality work and beefing up your profile in a couple specific ways so that you can get premium job invites where you will have less competition and things will become much easier for you. Premium job invites are a great lead source that are rarely talked about, which we will shed some light on for you. What should your expectations be? It's not difficult, but you're going to need to put in the work. If you want to make real money on Upwork, you must deserve it. You're going to have to develop a mindset and belief in yourself that you may not have had before. This is half the battle, and if you think you need more help with this before diving in, then you should definitely check out our Freelance Hustle Challenge that we created for free, which you can sign up for at our site at freelancehustler.com/challenge. It's going to take a while to find your rhythm. Just trust us and stick with it. We call this suspending your disbelief until you actually start landing jobs on Upwork. There's a magic point in the process when this happens. You will plant seeds and then you will harvest. The stuff we're going to teach you does work, and if you do what we tell you, this will change your life. The process that we are teaching you is proven, and we built a multiple 6-figure business on it. We've taught dozens of other freelancers how to do the same thing. Just take the information that we're giving you seriously and good things will happen. How is this course laid out? We've integrated certain aspects of this course together in order to achieve the main goals that we just outlined. We're going to start out by first teaching you some of the foundational work you're going to need in order to set yourself up for continued success on Upwork. We'll talk about why it's important to niche down a little bit before you get started and why positioning yourself as a premium contractor from day one is something that's going to help you win jobs right away and help you to get high quality job invites from awesome clients throughout your career. Something that will make earning consistent monthly revenue on Upwork much more manageable for you. Then we'll move into some of the specific tactical information that you're going to need to know to win jobs on the public Upwork job boards. We'll teach you the exact process that we still use to land high-dollar deals on Upwork on a consistent basis. This is the stuff that will give you the confidence to know that you're always just a few job applications away from landing a new client on Upwork. We'll close out the course by teaching you how to get consistent business, easy wins, how to maintain the premium rates you've established for yourself or charge even more, and how to handle negotiation like a pro. Are you ready to get started making money on Upwork? Let's dive in.